Hey everybody, so today we got a treat for you. I am breaking down one of my foundational dancehall steps. This step has gone many places, from Canada, East and West, United States, East and West, throughout China, and many other locations. I hope you guys enjoyed today. I'm going to break it down in two different formats. One, the basic, and then two, the advanced step. All right, let's get into it. Let me demonstrate it for you slowly, not to the rhythm of the beat just yet. As I step, my arm will come across the body going towards the opposite side of my jaw. From here is as if I'm moving out of the way of the hand and turning over at the same time. I finish and I repeat on the other side. You're going to do that 3 times, and at the end of the 3rd time, you bring that foot together, back leg to front, step, and body roll down. All right, you're gonna do each Tyger wave 3 times, finishing off with the 4th count being a center body roll facing either side. So if I was to go to my right, once again, I would go 1, 2, 3, step, 4. Which sets you up perfectly to go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you're continuously going through this, you have 2 different energies. You have the one energy nice and tall. It's a little stronger to set it up. And then you have 2 flowing out of it nice and smooth. Strong to smooth. All right, I designed this step so that way it can fit many areas of dancehall and not just the one. Make sure as you go through it, you breathe, because you will be changing a lot of things in your center core as you go into it. The more you get into it, you want to feel that back bend happen and then the fold over. When you fold over, think body half, closing the book, closing the door, or just dropping that shoulder. Right there is where it starts. Look at that half. It closes just like a book. All right, so if I was to do it with a little less break, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now when you go into it, I want you to make sure your foot setting is not too narrow. You don't want it underneath your shoulders, because then you're not going to drop as much. Have it outside the body frame. That way, once you get low, you feel comfortable, and then you feel more elongated here. I'm going to turn around because I want you to make sure that as you go into it, you see where my hips are going, and I want to make sure that you understand the difference of the height. So as I'm here, if I go to my right side, I actually lean towards my left a little bit. That way I can go towards my right side, high left side, high right side, and then roll. All right, even though I'm 6'2", I really like to play those levels, all right? If you want to catch the eye when it comes to movement, you got to help the eye change to catch something worth catching, all right? So rock it with me. We're going to go to my right side. If it's mirrored for you, you go to your right or left, find out whichever way is best for you. We're going to keep alternating. We're going to do it 4 times. All right, this is Tyger Wavez, the basic version. All right, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, fold, 2, fold, 3, fold. 3 more times. 1, fold, 2, fold, 3, fold. 2 more times. 1, fold, 2, fold, 3, fold. Last time. 1, fold, 2, fold, 3, fold, and roll. Now you'll find that sometimes that level change mixed in with the twist will become more complicated. Keep working on it. Remember, as humans, we always have the ability to advance in the better positions. All right? Now, changing tempo, if we go to a higher tempo, your beginning stance is not going to be held as long. Yeah? So 1, 2, 3, roll. All right? Not ignoring the energy that you're going into it with, but just not sustaining the position as long. Rock with me at this tempo. We're gonna go to our other side, which is my left. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, roll. 1, 2, 3, roll. 1, 2, 3, roll. Last one. 1, 2, 3, roll. Make sure you breathe and make sure you focus on the point once you're done. All right? Let's rock it with music now. Remember to stay loose, remember to stay fluid, and relax the brain so that way the body can follow. We're gonna start going towards my right side. 6, take your time. 7, 8. Last time. And breathe. I've given you the basic 4 count, and I've given you that same 4 count stretched out to an 8. As you can see, it fits both ways. Determine which way fits best for you according to the tempo of the music, and you're good to go. All right, till next time.